First, take out of all items from the package. The package includes monitor, camera, DC power cord, bracket, cigarette lighter adapter, green connector, antenna, T-tabs. Pick up the camera. Tear off the protective film on the camera before use. Install the antenna on the monitor. Take the square iron piece and screw it on the bracket. Follow my operation. Align the bracket with the screw holes on the back of the monitor and slide it in. Tighten the screws. The bracket can be flexibly adjusted. After adjusted the angle, tighten the screws. Tear off the protective film on the bottom of the bracket. Mount the monitor to the dashboard or windshield and pull down the buckle. Pick up the power cord. Connect the power cord to the monitor. Connect another power cord to the camera. Merge the two thin red wires of the power cord. Merge the two thin black wires of the power cord. Take up the green connector. Use a tool to loosen the screw. Insert the merged red wire into the positive slot of the green connector.
Insert the merged black wire into the minus slot of the green connector.
Tighten the screws. Please note, do not touch the positive and negative poles. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the green connector. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The monitor lights up and the image appears on the screen. The testing finished. Now disconnected all the wires. The easiest way is connect the monitor to cigarette lighter outlet. Plug the cigarette lighter adapter to the power outlet. Press the red button. The red button lights up. The red wire is connected to the positive wire of the tail light, license plate light, or reversing light. The black wire is connected to the negative of the tail light, license plate light, or reversing light. The image appears on the screen. Touch the M key to enter the menu mode. Touch the up or down keys to switch to the picture. Touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the OK key. The icon turns red.
Touch the up or down keys to adjust the brightness. Touch the OK key to confirm.
Touch the M key to return to the previous interface. Touch the up or down keys to switch to the mirror flip. Touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the up or down keys to select the flip mode you need. Touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the up or down keys to switch to the system. Touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the OK key. The icon turns red. Touch the up or down keys to switch to the system. Touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the up or down keys to switch to the P line. Touch the OK key to confirm. Touch the up or down keys to turn on off the guidelines. Touch the OK key to confirm. Touches the M key to quit the menu mode. Touch the power key to turn off on the screen. Touch the V key to turn off on the guideline. Touch the CH key to switch to the Cam 2 channel. Touch the CH key again to switch to the split mode. Touch the CH key again to switch to the Cam 1 channel. When the guideline appear on the screen, touch the down key. The H appear on the screen. Touch the up key to adjust the height of the guideline. Touch the down key. The W appear on the screen. Touch the up key to adjust the width of the guideline. Touch the down key. The M appear on the screen. Touch the up key to move the guideline right or left. Touch the down key. The letters disappear from the screen. Touch the CH key to switch to the Cam 2 channel. Touch the M key to enter the menu mode. Turn off the camera's power. Touch the OK key to enter the pairing countdown. Turn on the camera's power. The image appears on the screen, indicating a successful pairing.
The process of connecting the camera to the lamp line. T-taps. T-taps has 2 holes and 1 hole is closed. The long line is the line of the lamp or the circuit line on the car. Thrust the car light line into the first hole. Camera power cord. Plug the power cord into the second hole. Iron sheets. Clamp the iron sheet to the tap's bottom.